the surface of the only planet we call home. Sail the oceans we've dominated for millennia, our footsteps have inflicted wounds centuries deep. We have but decades to mend them, lest our end is nothing but certain. Earth's surface, present day. 30% land, 70% water, our bodies, 60%. Where life is, water flows. We are H2O, Aquarius, constellation south of Pegasus depicting man pouring water. As an ocean-born species, we've adapted to traversing landmass, now carry the weight of Atlas upon our shoulders.
Our world is dying, so we had to do something about it. Billions of dollars are circulated in the cryptocurrency market each day, and all current tokens use profit as a motive, something which capitalism has made our primary directive. Aquari intends to present us with a new motive, something more instinctual than profit: survival. We had the idea to create the world's first crowd-funded environmental conservation organization, and we'd use cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, to make this possible.
At Aquari, we fundamentally understand that socioeconomic proceedings can no longer continue down this path if we hope to have a future on this planet.
We aim to become the first cryptocurrency to have tangible value in the physical world. To put it simply, Aquari intends to utilize free markets to create incentive towards environmental conservation.
As a member of the Aquari community, you are part of a co-op organization that aims to protect the environment while also protecting your investment. As such, there's an additional 3% tax on all transaction volume that goes to financially benefit every single member of the community. For every token of Aquari, there's a dollar dropped in your pocket and a clean drop of water in the ocean.
So, the question is, do you swim with Aquari?
There is strength in learning from our failures, wisdom in knowing when we are wrong, kindness in giving grace to our mistakes. But none of that matters unless we act now. Tomorrow is too late. Fate will be decided by action, destiny by the choices we make. We will go forth like a breath exhaled from this earth, with vigor in our hearts, drive in our minds, and one goal in sight. We will not falter, for when water of womb breaks, we become Aquarius. We become Aquari.